Hello, welcome to the Fleet Studies Lab at Mike Albert. If you're intending to add electric vehicles to your fleet, this session will be particularly helpful for you. We're going to explore the energy planning and operations that are necessary for keeping your EVs fully charged and on the road. Energy planning takes a minimum of 6 months and involves 4 steps. First, determine the amount of energy you'll need. This analysis begins with the number and types of EVs you're adding to your fleet, coupled with the driving conditions they will experience. For instance, how many miles do your drivers log each day? Are these mostly highway or city miles? What are the terrain and weather conditions like? What's your average load weight? Second, based on your estimate of energy use, determine the number and type of chargers required. This will dictate how much space is needed for your charging stations while also allowing for safe traffic patterns in and out of your fleet depot. Third, you need to plan for storing some energy on site, especially in parts of the country where power outages are common. Solar power can help supply backup reserves and provide another way for your company to meet its sustainability goals. Before building your charging infrastructure, keep in mind that you'll likely need to secure permits from your municipality or county. The fourth and final step involves discussions with your local utility provider. To accommodate your needs, they may need to make infrastructure improvements on their side of the meter. This can take weeks, even months. Now let's look at the operational aspect of EV energy. While gas and diesel prices typically move up or down over the course of days, the cost of electricity fluctuates by the second. So knowing how much electricity to buy and when requires careful planning and monitoring. Telematics is also critical to energy ops. It tells you if your batteries are performing up to expectations. If not, you can troubleshoot and adjust accordingly. And finally, it's in your best interest to stay on top of your charging equipment maintenance and upgrades. Proper care will ensure efficient charging, and occasional upgrades will enhance your ROI. As you can see, building and sustaining an EV energy infrastructure is no small feat. Fortunately, there are companies, including Mike Albert, that will manage the entire process for you. They'll handle permitting, construction, ongoing maintenance, and price negotiations with your utility provider. They'll also secure any available government grants and tax incentives. Plus, they'll see to it that your equipment is upgraded as EV technology evolves, ensuring maximum efficiency. To learn more about EV power planning and ops, visit our Fleet Studies Lab at mikealbert.com or contact our Mike Albert team directly to discuss your needs in greater detail. Thanks for watching. See you next time.